Welcome back to my channel. This is Glam Girl TV, and today we're going to be talking about Thrive Causemetics. And this is the little bag that my eyeliner and mascara came in, and on the back it says fall in love with yourself. Really cute little bag. It feels like it could be waterproof. And this is how the package came. So it was just a regular brown bubble mailer, and inside was this. So as you can see, it still has a tag. I have not worn the makeup yet. So here's the two items, and then it comes with like a mailing return label. So I was scrolling through Instagram the other day and noticed these two items. The only reason why I bought the mascara is because the other day my eye got swollen and really puffy and really red, and I couldn't really open my eye that much. Reason being is because I think my mascara particles got inside of my eye when I was rubbing my eye. And I was like that for at least 4 or 5 hours. I couldn't get whatever was in my eye out. And I thought, it's got to be the mascara that I'm using. The particles from it are just flaking. And I'm sure that probably happens after it gets old. But I feel like this mascara is on the newer side of the lifespan of me having it. So I went ahead and wanted to try this Thrive one because it said on the little commercial thing that you're watching on Instagram that it was flake free. So I got to thinking this could be it. Not only is it that, but it says that it gives you length and volume, which I need because I barely have any lashes. And then it also says that it helps to, here, I'll read what it says on the back. Flake-free liquid fiber technology combines buildable fibers. It's Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. And it stimulates and encourages lash growth. You know I need that. I know I need that. So I bought this one. This one was listed for $24. And this one is actually won an award for Allure. It says Best of Beauty Allure Award Winner 2020. So this is actually a new award winner. So it's worth a try, right? And I'll show you the packaging. It looks like this. And the back looks like this. I mean, who don't want an eye looking like that? I don't want an eye looking like the second one. So then the main reason why I wanted to make this purchase is because your girl needs an eyeliner. I need an eyeliner bad. And the reason why I was looking for this particular eyeliner is because it's waterproof. Hello, I need a waterproof eyeliner. And I find that not only does my mascara transfer on top of my lid, but I find that the mascara transfers at the bottom and gives me a haze down here. And I also have been finding that the little NARS eyeliner that I got from the Beauty Insider Points, I started using the little NARS pencil that they gave me from 100 points. And that was transferring like crazy. So I was thinking I really needed to get a new eyeliner and one that stays. So I wanted to give this one a go. And let's see how it works. It says it's a semi-permanent micropigment technology. And it gives you long-lasting fade-proof color payoff. Apply to lash line and let it set for 30 to 60 seconds for all-day wear. Let's see if that's true. I will probably do a wear test, and I'll probably link the results on my Instagram. So watch out for that, Glam Girl TV on Instagram. All right, I have a full face of makeup on, and the only thing that I'm missing is my mascara and my eyeliner. So let's get to it. I just took out the little eyeliner, and it has a little smudge. Okay, it has a little smudge thing on the end of it. It looks like, and it also appears to have a sharpener. So that's pretty cool. And here it is. But I don't do that yet. I actually don't do eyeliner on top of my eye. I usually only do it at the bottom. But I want to see if it transfers. This feels actually really heavy duty. It actually feels really awesome. Feels expensive. And let me say, 24 bucks for a mascara is not that bad. And I can already tell that it's going to be really nice. You hear that? That's the sound of newness. Okay, so before I do the mascara, I can't get over how heavy duty this feels. And I did I did want to mention that I got both of these in black. I normally would do brown eyeliner, but the brown they were showing kind of looked like a coppery look. And I don't want a copper eyeliner. I want something darker than that. So I decided to go for the black. All right, so here we go. I'm not an expert at on-top liner, so don't judge me. I wanted to mention right quick that after wearing this all day yesterday, this never transferred and it never ran. It was pretty amazing. And normally, I would take one of these long Q-tips and just go over like so. Now to the other eye. Okay, this is not gonna work with this eye. This eye, I'm gonna have to actually look in the mirror. I gotta say that it's going on really smoothly. Okay. All right. I think that covers it. Can you see? Okay. Now off to the mascara. Then I'm gonna do the under eye liner. I normally put like a million coats of mascara. And I normally would use a primer for mascara. But today I'm just gonna try out what they sent me so that I can tell you what my honest opinion is. And I can honestly say one awesome thing about this so far is that it separates all the lashes. You see that? That's freaking awesome. But look, I just blinked and I transferred all of it to the bottom. Okay, so it's still really wet. So I kind of need to go to the other side now. All right, that side didn't separate as much, but it still is pretty separated. Now off to the other side again, because we want it to look really dramatic. So that first coat, you saw what it looked like. That second coat really needed it. And as you can tell, I'm not re-dipping it into the actual dispenser. I'm just using whatever's left on here, because I don't want to overdo it. All right, what do y'all think? Does it look like it's pretty volumized? I totally think it does look like that. Before I re-dip it, I do want to say that I normally use an older mascara to do my lower lashes so that I'm not putting so much, because the transfer is ridiculous throughout the day. So I kind of wanted to mention that I don't normally typically use a brand new mascara wand, but before I do the mascara underneath, I do want to put on the eyeliner underneath my eyes. And typically, I usually just go over the little hairs. I try to avoid the waterline because that's why it can kind of like run. So I just like to go over my lashes. Like so. But I can see that there's a little bit of fibers that was stuck on here from the transfer of when I blinked. So I'm trying to get that off. Okay. All right, so that's the eyeliner. And that's the mascara. Okay, let's do underneath now. So let's do, I know that's not a pretty look, but you know you do it like that. Everybody does. I can try and do it with a straight face, but it's not quite the same. You need that ugly look to do it. Okay. It gave me pretty long lower lashes, I gotta say. All right, other side. Okay. So, what are my thoughts on Thrive Causemetics? Because it's not cosmetics, it's Causemetics. C-A-U-S-E. All right, so my thoughts on the liner was it rolled on freaking awesome, like butter, like nothing. So I have to say that this was a pretty easy application to apply. I'm not having to like trying to put it on like so hard, like the regular pencils, like the wooden pencils, not the ones that are mechanical, but the wooden ones. I'm literally like scraping it on, trying to get it to color my eyelid. This, I don't find that was that tough at all to, it just like literally went on like butter, as you can see. And I think it went on really good. And makes my eyes pop because it's black. I do actually think that the brown liner makes my eyes pop better than the black, but that's just my opinion on myself. And then, all right, let's talk about the mascara. The mascara, it does say it has fibers. I can totally tell that it does because when I put it on my top lashes and I blinked, all these bottom ones had fibrous stuff all over them. So you might want to try and be careful when you putting it on that it doesn't transfer, because then you're gonna have to pick it out like I just did. So we shall see how it wears. I'm in a very humid climate as of right now. As you could see, this frizziness, it just won't stop. I've put product in my hair several times already, and it's just, the weather's just not cooperating today. Doesn't want me to have pretty hair. So far, I like the two products. Hopefully I like it so much that I'll be repurchasing them. The cute little bag that came with it is not bad either. I could always use that to travel, to put my makeup in and whatnot. And the length and volume. I mean, did you see my lashes before? Because they look pretty damn dramatic now. And I don't feel like I put more than normal. I mean, how you saw me put on my mascara, that's how I normally do it. I normally go over it that many times. It doesn't feel very heavy. Normally when I wear my roller lash, that's my other brand that I normally wear all the time. When I wear that, I don't find that it's light. I feel like it's heavy. So this actually feels light. And it says that it's waterproof and smudge proof. So let's see. Let me see. It says beauty with a purpose. Let's find out what Causemetics actually is about. Beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, one is donated to help a woman thrive. So I just helped another woman. Did I give her one of these? I don't know. I mean, that's what it sounds like to me. That since I bought this, another woman gets one of these. So now somebody got an eyeliner and a mascara. That's pretty awesome. So, and they're going to thrive with it somehow. But hopefully I could thrive with this. All right, so I hope you liked this. I hope the demonstration was enough for you to decide whether or not to get it. Look, Instagram made me buy it. You know how many times I scroll on Instagram and I see it over and over and over, Thrive Causemetics, and they're putting on the eyeliner or the mascara and you're like, damn, that looks so good. I wish mine could look that good. And then you buy it and then it looks like it sucks. So hopefully, I'm not saying this does, but hopefully this does actually work like how they're portraying that it does work. So we shall see. I'm going to do an update on Instagram. Check it out. I'll be doing it in about a day or so. I'll record it tomorrow just to see how it did. Hope you like this. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.